Welcome my 7th class students. In Easy Learning 2020 class, we learn subject Maths. We learn chapter number 10, Bank and Simple Interest. In this part, we learn part number 10.7, practice set 40. Question number 1. Solve the following questions. Read questions and solve these examples. First, if Rihanna deposit 1500 rupees in the school fund at 9 PCPA for 2 years, what is the total amount she will get? याचा अर्थ रिहानाने 1500 रुपये शाळेतील संचयिकेमध्ये 9 दराने 2 वर्षासाठी ठेवल्यास तिला 2 वर्षानंतर एकूण किती रक्कम मिळेल? Let us find the amount Rihanna gets after 2 years. Left side, write down P, T, R, I and A. First, find the interest. Write formula of simple interest. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Write the all numbers in given example. P 1500 into 9 into 2 upon 100 divided by 100 to 100 and 1500. Remaining numbers 15 into 9 into 2. I is equal to 135 into 2. Multiply by 2. Multiplication is 270 rupees interest. In this way, we got interest. Next, find the amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. 1500 plus 270. Addition is 1770 rupees. Rihanna will get total amount is 1770 rupees after 2 years. Next example is Jethalal took housing loan of 2,50,000 rupees from a bank at 10 PCPA for 5 years. What is the yearly interest he must pay at the total amount he returns to the bank? या उदाहरणाचा अर्थ असा आहे, जेठालाल यांनी 2.5 लाख रुपये 10 दराने 5 वर्षांच्या मुदतीने घर कर्ज घेतले. त्यांना बँकेला एकूण किती रक्कम द्यावी लागेल? Let us find of 1 year interest Jethalal paid. 1 year interest is principal 2,50,000 rupees time 1 year rate 10 PCPA. Here first write down formula of interest. 2,50,000 into 10 into 1 upon 100 divided by 100. Remaining 2,500 into 10 into 1. 10 ones are 10. 2,500 into 10. Multiply by 10 to 2,500. Multiplication is 25,000 rupees. 1 year interest is 25,000 rupees. Let's find 5 years interest. 5 years interest is 25,000 into 5, 1,25,000 rupees. Amount is equal to principal plus interest 2,50,000 rupees plus 1,25,000 rupees, 3,75,000 rupees. Jethalal returns total amount is 3,75,000 rupees to the bank. Next example is Srikanth deposited 85,000 rupees for 2 and 1.5 years and at 7 PCPA in a saving bank account. What is the total interest he received at the end of the period? याचा अर्थ असा आहे, श्रीकांतने 85,000 रुपये 10,7 दराने 2.5 वर्षासाठी बचत बँकेत ठेवले. तर त्यांना मुदतीच्या शेवटी किती सरळ व्याज मिळाले. Let us find the total interest received. Srikanth, principal, time, rate and interest. Write down left side. Next, write down formula of simple interest. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Write down all information given in this example. 85,000 into 7 into 2.5 upon 100. Divided by 100 to 85,000 and 100. Remaining 850 into 7 into 2.5. Next, 2.5 converted into fraction 25 upon 10. 25 upon 10. Write down 850 into 7 into 25 upon 10. Then divided by 10. 85 into 7 into 25. 85 multiply by 7. 595 into 25. Answer is 14,875 rupees. After 2.5 years, Srikanth received interest 14,875. 4 number example. At a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period? याचाच अर्थ असा की व्याजाच्या काही दराने 5,000 रुपये मुद्दलावर 4 वर्षात 1,200 रुपये व्याज होते, तर त्याच दराने त्याच मुदतीत 15,000 रुपये मुद्दलाचे किती व्याज होईल. Let us solve the given example in 2 types. 2 पद्धतीने सोडवूया. Type first. Let's find the rate of interest, principal, time, rate and interest. Write down formula. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Interest is 1,200 is equal to 5,000 into R into 4 upon 100. First divided by 100 to 5,000 and 100. Remaining numbers 1,200 is equal to 50 into R into 4. 50 and 4 taken as divisor form to left side. Right side number is remaining R. First divided by 4 to 1,200. Quotient is 300. Remaining 300 upon 50 is equal to R. Then divided by 10 to 50 and 300. Then divided by 5 to 5 to 30. 5 6 are 30. 6 is equal to R. Rate of interest is 6%. Same rate and same year, find the interest on 15,000 rupees. Write down formula. Interest P into R into T upon 100. 15,000 into 6 into 4 upon 100 divided by 100 to 15,000 rupees and 100. Remaining numbers 150 into 6 into 4. Then multiply by 6 to 150. 900 into R. Multiply by 4 to 900. Answer is 3,600 rupees. On 15,000 rupees, the interest is 3,600 rupees. Type number 2. Principal 5,000 rupees and interest 1,200 rupees. Same rate and same year. Principal is equal to 15,000 rupees. Find the interest on 15,000 rupees. Here the principal has tripled, so the interest will also triple. 5,000 into 3 is equal to 15,000 rupees principal tripled. 1,200 into 3 is equal to 3,600 rupees. Interest is tripled. In these two types, we solve this example. Next example is, if Pankaj deposits 1,50,000 rupees in a bank at 10 PCPA for 2 years, what is the total amount he will get from the bank? म्हणजेच पंकजने 1.5 लाख रुपये 10 दराने 2 वर्षासाठी बँकेत ठेव म्हणून ठेवले, म्हणजे गुंतवले. तर मुदतीनंतर त्याला दिस एक्झाम्पल इज व्हेरी इझी मिळेल. वी फाइंड इंटरेस्ट अँड अमाउंट. फर्स्ट, find the interest on 1,50,000 rupees. Write formula of simple interest. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Write down all numbers given in this example. 1,50,000 rupees into 10 into 2 divided by 100. Then remaining 1,500 into 10 into 2. 1,500,000 into 10 into 2, 1,500,000 into 20, multiply by 2, then multiply by 20, 30,000 rupees interest. We find interest, so next find amount. Amount is equal to principal plus amount, 1,50,000 rupees plus 30,000 rupees, 1,80,000 rupees. Answer is, Pankaj will get 1,80,000 rupees total amount from the bank after 2 years. So student, today we have solved practice set 40. In this part, write down all the examples in your notebook and practice again and again. Thanks my dear students. Stay home, stay safe and study regular.